Man, I am honestly so bored. Like, holy mother, sweet baby Jesus. Tails, what the hell? Knuckles, what the hell are you doing here? Well, I'm here in the kitchen to get something to eat, and you were just drinking fucking soap water in the sink in that cup. It tastes good, alright? You know, whatever, I'm not even gonna argue with you. I'm just gonna go on the couch. Freaking weirdo. What's in here? Alright, what is this? What is it? Wait, no! Never mind. I think I'm gonna get something to eat from the fridge because there's literally nothing else anywhere for me to eat. I am simply... Dude, what the hell are you doing in here? This is a civilized buffet! Oh, let's see here. The freaking fridge closed on me! How in the world does a fridge close on you? Like this? Okay, well that makes sense. You want to get out or what? Yes, it's freezing in here! Okay. Well, that makes sense. No, it doesn't. That makes the fuck! What the? Hey, yo! What the fuck? Tail. What the hell? You know what? Yoshi sneaker. The fuck? Oh yeah. Stop. Wait, no. Nope, I'm out. Peace out, losers.